Hello, welcome to Extreme Typing English, Advanced Options, Color Madness. How to work this. You find opening up, there is some stuff, a lot of levers, and a menu. This is for the keys, the main display, key press, mouse over, highlight. The ABC bar has some options as for keys already finished. Otherwise, it follows the main display. Wallpaper, paint, that you can change each and every key a different color. Instructions on how to use paint. Save your keyboard, that's all of this. And paint, only paint. And preset themes with settings to duplicate. Click one of these and a color picker opens. This is the uppercase key. Click, 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 click. Put the rainbow. Sometimes when it's open in black, you click the rainbow, nothing happens. You have to click off. It's just whoever designed these, those are the rules. And if it opens in orange from this one, if this orange and you open in orange on this one, you have to click off. Just based on what changes. That's raspberry. Lowercase key. Purple. Different shades of purple. Blue. Same color. This is variations of that color. One up and down. You can have them all open. Green. Key background. Gradient. You're probably thinking, what's with all the boxes, man? Couldn't you cram it into one? Yes, we could. But then you have to click, make adjustments, click, make adjustments, click, make adjustments, click, make adjustments, click, make adjustments. This way, you can paint all four at once without having to constantly open and close. Looks like Christmas. The dead keys follow lowercase, as well as these underscores. They're present on every keyboard so the fingers know where home row is. If you only open in black, click off. This is the background. If you don't want a gradient, click off. Background keys. Alpha channel, that's a level of transparency. Works best on background, get big area. The tiny little text here, if you made it transparent, you really couldn't tell. This is normal. 0 is invisible. That's the wallpaper below. If you have colorful wallpaper, set this to 0 and you can see the wallpaper. It's 10. It's 100. 150, 50, and full power. Gradient, that's these gradient shapes. Right now we have no gradient. That's the top down, side to side, diagonal, dot. It's one of my favorite gradients. Looks like Hal from 2000. Center, circles. This is the range of the gradient. Little circles, big circles. Big dot, little dot. We can close it down. All, little, swipe. You want the color, it's like touching some of these keys. If you go to the art, you can blend it in nicely. The swapping swaps the positions between these two. Instead of open this, make it red, it is red. Instead of open this, make it black, open this, make it red, it just swaps. The little dot here, that does not like alpha channel. See the red's down there, and it consumed the red letter. I'm going to put this at 100. And there, all the gradients are nice. Doesn't like it, it's just not going to work. It's called a radial gradient, so we should all call the Radial Gradient Society of America and voice a complaint. Puts a nice glow underneath the letters. So that's how to use these. The border starts at 0. So if you make some border colors and nothing happens, set some width. Red and gold. Oh, off. No wonder. It helps you turn it on, you know? It really does. These are gradients. Most like these two. Looks like rope. To make the border wider. Like some kind of old-time picture frame. And you're probably thinking, range of 99, you people nuts? Yes, we are. And frankly, we couldn't be happier. If you notice, the top border is taken over. In case you wondered, is there a range in the borders? Yes, they are. Yes, there is. Top border's in charge. Now, I'm using the arrow keys on a computer. You can use this up and down, or just type it in. See this one, you make some nice shapes. There's probably a web page out there, border art. If not, we're starting it right here. It was a center dot, but it's getting stretched. So borders and gradients with big width. Good art. And that's how to use everything. You know, no border here. The area involved is so tiny, any little border would just make the letter unviewable. And that is how to use this. Same applies to key press, mouse over, highlight. Send us your favorite pictures, and thank you.